So looping is what? Now looping is a statement that enable to execute the same statement for number of timing. As you know that while you are creating a program, your program may be of three types. One is sequential, decision making, another is iterative. The looping statement, it enable you to execute the same statement for certain number of time. You can enclose the statement within the loop construct, and loop construct execute the statement till specified condition is met. So till your condition is true, then the looping statement is executed. Looping is of three type. One is for loop, while loop, another is a do while loop. Okay, so we cannot say that looping is three type. Looping construct is three type. Looping is of two type. One is fixed loop, another is variable loop. Fixed loop means where the number of repetition you know in advance. So how many time your looping will be execute, you will know in advance. Variable loop means you don't know in advance how many time the looping will execute. But for applying this looping, we're using for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So in for loop, it contains the three part. One is initialization, checking condition. Next is your increment or decrement. First you have to initialize the value, then you go for checking condition, then increment and decrement is happening. So I will show all the program regarding for loop. Run the file. Now check here. We define a variable int I is equals to 1. Okay, first is initialization, then 1 is less than equals to 10. So condition is true, 1 is less than 10, then it is printing you 1. Then here what happened, I plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 is less than 10. Condition is true, then it is printing you 2 here. Then again I value is increment to 3. 3 is less than 10. So condition is true, so it is printing you 3. So in this way, it is printing you 1 to 10. Java say for loop ex.java. Then for execution, so it is printing you 1 to 10. Okay, बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
दिशा बुझेला? मनीषा बुझी पाइल?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the first program. Then next I will move to other program. Like you have to add all the number from 1 to 10. So int sum is equals to 0. For int I is equals to 1. So 1 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true, so that looping we are using. But here we define what? Sum is equals to sum plus I. Sum plus equals to I means sum is equals to sum plus I, means you can write here sum is equals to sum plus I. It is added all the numbers. Okay, after adding all the numbers, then it shows the result here. क्लियर? तो मीटर ऑन करुच्ची एबे देखियो। So it is showing you 55. It is showing you all the numbers from 1 to 10, and so the addition, that is 55. Okay, Manisha?
Yes, sir. Now I am going to show about the multiplication table of 7. Multiplication table of 7, but if you want to take any value from the user, you can write here import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, then here we create a object scanner is equals to system dot in. Then here you have to use int a equals to s dot next int. I move the value here. It is a multiplication table. Java C multiplication dot Java multiplication table, that is asking you the number sorry, the pass here system dot out dot print ln enter a number. Again I pass here Java C, it is execute. It is asking you enter a number. Suppose I pass here 7, suppose 8. So 8 into 1 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 8 into 3 is 24, 8 into 4 is 32. Okay, Bujala? Then how it is actually working?
Yes.
ये देखो, the first is asking you enter a number, you are passing some value. Then when you passing some value by using of scanner class, it is taking a keyboard input. As you are taking an integer value, for storing the integer value in a variable, we are using s.nextInt.
it take the value and store in the a value. Then int 1 is less than 10, condition is true. Then int c is equals to 8 into 1 is 8, that a ର value କେତେ print କରିବ 8 print କରିବ, i ର value 1 print କରିବ equals ଦେଖେଇଲା ଏଠି 8 ରହିଲା, ପୁଣି i ର value increment ହେଲା 2, 2 less than 10, condition is true. तो int c equals to 8 into 2 16, a ର value print कला 8, i ର value print कला 2, then 16. Clear?
Yes, sir.
दिशा तुमर ऑडियोटा कहीं शुभुनी, बुझी पाले तो?
Yes, sir.
दिशा दिशा को पचार. Then now I am writing a program that show the value in a reverse order. The normal looping we are using. And now I write the program to show in a reverse order. New, suppose for loop reverse. Suppose I want to show from 30 to 20. So I is equal to 30. Then here my condition is I have passed here. हाँ दिशा.
Hello.
हाँ दिशा को.
Yes, sir. No, ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବାର ଥିଲା ତ sir ମୁଁ ପରେ କ୍ଲାସଟା କରିବି.
Okay, so it is showing you the value in a reverse order. int I is equals to 30. So I is greater than equals to till 20. जब 20 जाए नौची I is equals to I minus 1. It is showing you in the reverse order. Now check. Java C.
Okay, so it is showing you 30 to 20. बुझिला मनीषा?
Yes, sir.
ओके सो आज ये क्लासटा ठीक रहिबो से आर पिलाटा काम अछि पळेले बाहर नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मेटा बतेबा को नेबी है ना
आज्ञा sir.
ठीक अछि